Thank you, Mom. Believe in yourself and that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. I now request Divyam Chatani of 12th A to express his sweet and pleasant memories for these 12 years in the school.
Morning, Principal Ma'am, Manager Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm extremely honored to have been given an opportunity to sum up my entire journey in school till the day today. When I came to CFS, like other students, I was driven to excel, to be best in academics and all other extracurricular activities I was involved in. Like other students, I wanted to fulfill my sense of intellectual curiosity. Of all the days I've spent here, each day brought about new variations of me. Me as a child, me as a student, me as a leader, and overall, me as a person. Remember the days we entered CFS? Everyone must have cried at the main gate of the school premises. I did it too, and I think you are no exception. Who could have imagined back then that we were entering a new, unfounded world that had much to venture for? The first day went on something very different for all of us, but honor us for our teachers who spent the entire day calming we, the crying little pals. The very first sports period went on special, with each one of us choosing our favorites and trying new sports to enter into. The Ringer Roses we played in recess may appear kiddish to you now, but it's all what we did. Those were the days we first made friends, realized how important friends are for survival in this world. We studied and went home with the joy and grace of returning the next day to play with our friends. The cry now turned into never ending happiness and excitement we carry till the day today. Years went, sessions proceeded, we completed our primary education and entered the elementary one. Sixth grade was very different, with everyone in our kinship and our teachers warning us how hard it would be entering the class. When we first got our results, we were crestfallen, as many of us didn't perform well, but our teachers were all set to build our strong foundation. Our science teacher made us realize as to how science has to be dealt practically and not theoretically. The latter time in elementary education went smooth and we finally entered the high school. Much to everybody's expectation, ninth was expected to be a breakthrough, or to put it, a turning point in our life. We all felt it would be easy, but again, we all were proved wrong. It brought even more challenges in our academic life. We finally realized what physics, chemistry, and biology was. We spent social science classes mentally sleeping, pretending to be awake. But each time our teachers caught us, hats off to their experience. As Charles Dickens said, it was the best of the times, it was the worst of the times. Our principal ma'am, Miss Anita Puri, and manager ma'am, Miss Meena Malik, put forth us every possible opportunity to discover our strengths and provide the necessary driving force for our path towards success. In my years in high school, I participated in far many competitions than ever before. My teachers opened up a new dimension of world for me. They molded and inspired me in each way they could and finally made me eligible to address this virtual graduation gathering. We completed our 12th grade with board examinations, which were quite angst for us, but we all worked untiringly hard for it. Now came the dilemma, the climax of our movie, as we went to choose our streams to pursue. We all chose based on our interests, with teachers motivating us, for we were mature now and had goals to fulfill in the coming future. 11th went pretty well, with all our teachers preparing us for the board examinations coming the next year. Then came 2020, the year we are living in now, the year rigged by coronavirus, but at the same time, the year which made us value our teachers, our friends, and our school even more, as now we finally realize What could a graduate feel like after school? This is the time to prove who we as Cambridgians are. At the end of our high school, we have an opportunity. Now is our time to take on the world and to pursue our passions and to quote unquote leave a legacy. This year, the way in which we stand by each other makes for a solid foundation for becoming resilient, and we have proved that pretty well. As William Shakespeare put it, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. In life, we can't always count on being born great or having greatness thrust upon us, but always and always remember the opportunity to achieve greatness is always within our grasp. Thank you.
Thank you, Divyam. Your life is your own story, and the adventure ahead of you is the journey to fulfill your own purpose and potential. We are so happy that you have achieved this great milestone. Wishing you a great success with your dreams and career. Although your graduation may mark the completion of your schooling, still don't ever stop pursuing knowledge. Wishing you all the best on this graduation. Now I will request Venkateshan sir to speak certain unique and special features of the student of class 12.
Dear audience and students, we have all collected here to bid farewell to our outgoing batch of the year 2021. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. I wish you good luck and understand that you will be successful in your future endeavors. Anecdotes. Divansh Chauhan, a culmination of spontaneity and dynamism. Divansh has a carefree attitude. His buoyant and extrovert disposition has made him very popular amongst his peer group. He is a strong, courteous boy who possesses the potential to grow into a fine young man. Divesh Bhosle. Lively and buoyant, Divesh has a carefree attitude. He works at his own pace and displays a high level of self-assurance. He accepts criticism graciously and always strives to reform himself. He manages his time well and overcomes challenges with aplomb. Gurjot Singh. Reserved and resilient, Gurjot does his work in his own time and at his own pace. He is responsible and implementing and executing his obligations. He reflects simplicity in his conduct. He has a thoughtful and carefree approach towards life. He has displayed a commendable performance. Jia Sharma. Jia believes in the traditional values of obedience and respect for elders. She is an intelligent and highly dependable girl, a worthy combination of loyalty, perseverance, and sincerity. Her well-balanced personality and meticulous work habits are key for success. Manvi Ambassador. A self-assured and committed girl, Manvi has proved her mettle in every aspect in the school. She has won many laurels in the field of academics, and also she is a splendid singer and has won many acclaimed and attentive listener. She performs with a sense of responsibility. She wants to serve society by pursuing medicine. Prasansha Pandey. Having a calm temperament, Prasansha reveals a cultured and mature persona. Soft-spoken, determined, and self-motivated, she remains committed to her studies. Passionate about her set targets, she would definitely achieve them. Reet Anand. Sharp, witted, and cooperative, Reet is a spirited and displays congenial vibrancy. She manages to coordinate her work and leisure time effectively. Always proactive towards her goals, she employs fruitful learning strategies. She has a positive attitude towards studies and always tries to better herself. Helpful by nature, she accepts all responsibilities with a smile. Twinkle Mittal. Twinkle is a sincere, quiet, courteous, respectful, progressive in her attitude. She is always keen to excel and willing to learn from her mistakes. She is open to changes and strives hard to do better in life. Helpful and compassionate, accepts all responsibilities with a smile. B.S. Shriya. Polite and humble, Shriya is characteristically very helpful and supportive. Studious in nature, she manages to coordinate her work, time, and leisure effectively. She is always proactive towards her goals and employs fruitful strategies in learning. Now I request Manjidawar Madam to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Venkatesh sir. A good day to one and all, and especially for students of class 12 assembled here for the graduation day. I'm sure you feel accomplished and proud. The day marks more than the end of one chapter in your life, the beginning of another where you have an array of possibilities. So let's make it special. It's time for a much deserved applause to you all. CFS, as we all know, is known for the quality of its teaching and mentoring. As you pass out, the onus is now on you to sustain that reputation. And now a few words on all of you. Yash Sharma. Genial, winsome and diligent, Yash has a positive attitude towards academics. With his eminent love and expertise in art and music, he has several laurels to his credit at the inter-school, zonal and interzonal levels. An extrovert to the core and a keen observer, he enjoys studying human behavior and desires to pursue his career as a psychiatrist. Yukta Madan. A graceful, talented and versatile dancer, Yukta has always been an active participant in all cultural activities at school. Having participated in numerous dance competitions, she is a recipient of several awards. Respectful and cooperative, she is a consistent and methodical scholar. She organizes her tasks and goals with precision and determination. Harshita Vasan. Progressive in thought and resilient in behavior, Harshita respects values and discipline. Futuristic and reflective, she is adept in tapping optimal energy to achieve her targets. A good speaker, she enjoys playing chess and quizzing. Her meticulous and sincere efforts shall help her to be a sure winner. Gurveen Kaur. Gurveen is a simple, obedient, unassuming and diligent student. Good at dramatics, she enjoys penning down her thoughts in verse. Baking is her passion. She is worthy combination of loyalty, perseverance and sincerity, which will surely enable her to fulfill her dream of becoming a dentist. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena is ideally futuristic and reflective. Her approach to every project is target-oriented and focused. Always smiling and obedient, she never refrains from taking responsibilities and reveals a cultured and matured personality. A good orator, she has been a winner in all the competitions she has participated in. Ambitious and resolute, she works assiduously to achieve her goals to enter the medical world. Abhi Sharma. Cordial and helpful, Abhi is blessed with a cool disposition and a logical bent of mind. Always one to take initiative and shoulder responsibilities, he is unpretentious and sincere. A good badminton player, He enjoys trying his hand at chess and painting also. A hardcore optimistic, he aims to enter the medical profession. Our good wishes are with him. Divyam Chutani. Divyam is a self-motivated young man of substance. He has the ability to reach the peak of perfection and has indomitable resoluteness to achieve his goals. Possessing multi-dimensional talent, he is an eloquent orator, quizzer, and a computer wizard. His enthusiastic participation in numerous inter-school, zonal, interzonal, and national level competitions made him the proud recipient of several prizes. He aspires to be an orthopedic surgeon and a radiologist. We wish him a fortune to pursue his dreams. Vanshika Satija. Spirited Vanshika represents energy, rise from teachers and puts her heart and soul in her endeavor to excel in all fields. A speaker par excellence, she has won several accolades at the inter-school, zonal and interzonal levels. Aspiring to become a doctor, she is resolutely striving hard to accomplish her goal. We wish her success in fulfilling her ambition. I now request Tanman ma'am to kindly come and carry on the proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjudhar madam, for handing over the proceedings to me. In continuation with the anecdotes, now we come over to Shivam Jindal. He is an amiable, industrious, and Shivam displays patience in his demeanor. Though an introvert, he is receptive by nature. He is committed and devoted to the assigned duties. He is extremely responsible, simple, and helpful by nature. He puts his heart and soul in his endeavor to excel in academics. He will definitely be successful in life. Kanika Bhatia. A diligent and humble, she is gentle in behavior and approach. She displays a cordial and affectionate behavior. She is academically inclined and does not shy away from hard work. She truly believes that sky is her dream destiny and wants to join Air Force. We wish her all the best to pursue her dreams. Manan Singh. He is an industrious and displays patience in his demeanor. Though an introvert, he is receptive by nature. He is committed and devoted to the assigned duties. With abundant talent in the field of dramatics and singing, Manan has brought laurels in inter-school and interzonal competitions and has made the school proud. Anjali Singh. Anjali is an ingenious, calm and pleasant girl who always has a warm smile on her face. She is dependable and accepts responsibility eagerly and makes sure that she completes it. She is imaginative and capable of fabricating original, innovative artwork. She is focused about her studies and is always seen working towards her goals. Drishti Uppal. Courteous, dependable, intelligent and focused. Drishti is a pleasing blend of ebullience and sobriety, a keen debater, a good orator, and also exhibits expertise in dance. She ardently participated in intra and inter-school events and has won accolades for her performance in various events. Her sharp intellect will always assist her in fulfilling her dreams. Hadis Khan, cordial and helpful. He has the required analytical skills to make a mark in the software industry. He is an easygoing individual who takes life as it comes. He is also a keen performer and enjoys being around with his friends. Prateek Agarwal. Respectful and cooperative. He has an inherent love for programming. He has represented the school successfully in many coding events. He is a word combination of perseverance, intelligence and sincerity. His calm demeanor and optimistic attitude will make him do well in whatever he chooses in life. Pulkit serene, pleasant and always smiling. He is consistent and an earnest scholar. He is a young man with multiple talents. and has won many prizes in various activities like play, declamation, debate, Nukkad Natak and quizzes. Wishing him success in achieving these goals. I now hand over the mic to Ms. Sonia Dogra.
Thank you, Tanman ma'am. Continuing with the anecdotes of class 12th A, we have next Rudraksh Narendra. An absolute introvert by nature, Rudraksh displays a cordial and affectionate behavior. He is humble enough to learn from his mistakes